Yeah, it's so nice to see familiar faces.
And it's nice to feel it again after a while.
Kasi wala tayo ibang nakita kundi yun.
Easy! Easy, I'm talking to Will.
Yeah!
Mwah! Sorry, screen time. Gusto mo ng screen time? Once a week ka lang may screen time eh.
Grabe, kapuso yan, ha?
Grabe.
Joke lang!
Iyak ka to, guys. So, huwag na natin.
Oy, huwag mong ginagawa yung dugo ko.
Oo!
Pinaprotect ko nga eh. Sabi ko, iiyak na siya eh.
Huwag mo, hindi yan iiyak. Matapang. Kung merong wish,
Parehas nga kayo eh. One on one kayo sa akin eh. Pagkatapos nito, ikaw pumasok. Sino ba talaga? Ako naman iiyak.
that's not me.
Eto, umiyak the other day. Umiyak ka the other day.
Oo, okay na, okay na.
Even out na tayong tatlo, okay na. Eto na lang, iyak ka. Go, go. It's been a while.
Pag naka... Yeah.
Wala na yun naman.
That's so weird, easy.
I was feeling it may laman pa. Ikaw
Yeah,
yung...
finish it na.
Uy, ikaw yung mali talaga. Michael, ha?
Salty.
Thank you, no.
Alam mo ba gano'ng kahirap sa akin magsalita?
Hindi na pala siya over.
I thought we were over the topic. I thought we were over the...